totally skipped the entire line. Oh no! I'm in the kitchen for probably 4 hours. Equals made. Good morning guys, it's Mackenzie. I just straightened my hair and now I'm gonna curl the ends a little bit. But today is Saturday, June 12th, and it is my rest day, therefore I'm not working out. I've had a really relaxed morning. I didn't do my morning abs. I didn't even journal or read or anything. I just woke up and started watching Alexa and Katie because there's a new season out. And judge me all you want, that show was for 12-year-olds, but I love it. Now my mom went for a run. I am just getting ready for the day. We're gonna go on all our walks, the dog walk, our walk. And then, just like last Saturday, we are going to get smoothie bowls and go to the farmer's market. And I'm so excited. And this time, we're bringing my brother, who came home for the weekend. So, you guys can come along with all that. I'm gonna finish my hair, and then I will talk to you after. Mom is back from her run, which means it's time for our walk. I just threw on this big Aritzia sweater just because it is cold out today, which is not fun. But yeah, I haven't gotten this ready in so long, let me tell you. Say hi. Hi. It's now 8:30 and we are heading out to go get our smoothie bowls. If you watched last week's vlog, you saw how amazing those smoothie bowls looked, and they taste even better than how they look, so I am beyond excited. I think I showed you guys my outfit. I'll show you again. I am just wearing this big sweater from Aritzia, and I just tucked it into my Levi's jeans. I literally wear it 24/7, Air Force Ones, my of course bag, and my slip scrunchie. And I did my hair, and I feel like a whole freaking new woman. And I'm going to fill my water bottle, go to the bathroom, and then we're on our way. We're leaving now to go get smoothie bowls and then go to the market, and this time Kyle's coming. We have made it back to Fresh Addicts and I am so excited. I'm gonna get the exact same thing I got last time because it was that good. I don't know what they're getting, but. Looks good. Guys, we got it again and I'm so happy.
Kyle's look like.
Kyle's base,
oh, he's good.
It's like the same, but he has blackberries and it's a green base. But I'm so excited. I'm gonna devour this. Mom got a smoothie, but it's not that great, so it's good. which is why you get the bowl. Yeah, we're gonna eat. We're at the Georgetown Farmers Market. We just parked and I'm freezing from my smoothie bowl. But we're gonna see if we can like sneak in because there was a huge line. Mom's taking pictures. Finessed again. We just totally skipped the entire line. Thank you. She got the goodies. Woo! Yeah, I was like, Mom got kettle corn. And that was it. We're already done. We're gonna go to the Milton Farmers Market and go to Spring Ridge. But like, I don't know how people spend hours at farmers markets because you literally just like walk up, look at it, buy your stuff, and go. So, but
we're gonna hit 3 places in the time that people do that street.
Yeah, literally. That's so true.
In the time that those people in the lineup get in.
Yeah, we just like totally skipped the entire line, which is great. But yeah, so now we're going to the other one. But most importantly, Mom got her kettle corn. Now we're at the Milton one and it's not as busy as Georgetown, which is good. So we're gonna go in, see if they got any vegan baked goods, salad dressing, you know, all the necessities. But yeah, just a big farmer's market morning with the fam jam. So yeah. All right, we got 2 salad dressings. This week they had the lemon garlic, which is the one we wanted last week, so that's good. And then we literally just got like a ton of vegan baked goods. Mom was just going off. So yeah, Mom got flowers, dogs are barking, and apple cider for sangria tonight. Okay, dogs are barking, I'm gonna go. Last but not least, we're at Spring Ridge, my favorite place on earth. We're gonna pick up this soup we like and just stroll around. We got our soups and we're done. What a morning. We just got home. It's now noon. I am going to bake my grandma's muffins while nothing is in the oven. And yeah, it's finally like warm out, of course, now that we're home, which makes sense. And it was really fun. Kyle came. I think he had fun. So these are the muffins, they're all done. Now it's 12:58 and I'm going to just make the dinner before my grandma comes because it's a little bit of a process, and when we made this last time on Easter, it took us like 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and we didn't end up eating till like 8:30 that day. So we're just gonna make it now and have it all done and then it'll be easy, so yeah. Update, it's 2:20. We've mashed all the chickpeas and done that. I made the sauce that goes on top. The veggies are cooking. The mashed potatoes are cooking to be mashed. I have all the carrots peeled. My mom just had to go to the store to grab something. So in the meantime, I'm gonna chop up the fruit for the sangria because might as well stay busy while she's gone. And yeah, so it's just been a big afternoon in the kitchen. So it's now 3:20, still in the kitchen, but now we're on to the sangria. The most important, of course. The loaf is in, the carrots, I have the stuff out, we just make them, the potatoes are mashed, her muffins are made. I'll show you the cute picture we're putting the sangria in. Of course, it's a pineapple, very socially soon.
Almost ready.
Yeah, I also set the table. It is a big ordeal. And Mom got, yeah, show them what she got. She got a sangria wine.
So we don't actually have to mix a lot. We're gonna play with it. We're gonna mix this with a little apple cider, a little soda water, a lot of fruit. We're gonna taste it, and Kenzie and I are gonna be drunk before she gets here.
That's what my lunch is today. A bunch of, you know,
chickpeas?
A bunch of chickpeas and samples of what I was making, and sangria. It sounds very nutritious. Yeah, So basically my day was I binged Netflix, I went on a walk, I went to like 80 different farms, ate a great breakfast, and then sat in the kitchen for probably 4 hours by the time this is done, so. Sounds like my kind of day. No, you're fine. Oh no! I can't believe I just got that on camera. It just spilled all over the floor.
Yeah, she's coming to lick it up.
No, she'll get drunk. Whoops. I'll clean it.
Oh no, the bar.
So you look right at it.
But that's not what I was looking for. It's caught on film.
Cheese are good.
Take two.
Oh, the dog is so intrigued. Yum. Wow, whoever cut that fruit did divine.
Amazing.
Still have extra. Yum. Mom, you drank all 2 bottles already?
Yes.
3:45, finally done in the kitchen. Everything is just cooking. The carrots just need 10 minutes and then we can take them out. Then we are going to go on our walk. Yeah, but I'm glad I started cooking when I did because I literally was in the kitchen the whole afternoon. I was also gonna home make a dessert, but instead we just bought a vegan cake, and thank God we did that, or else I would still be in there trying to make a vegan dessert. But yeah, it's been a big day of cooking, and I'm just gonna watch some Alexa and Katie while I wait, and then we'll go on our walk. So I just changed into my little dinner outfit. It's just my new dress from Aritzia. It's from Sunday Best, and it's super cute. And then I have the Aritzia cardigan I wear all the time, mineral jewelry, and I'm just wearing these tan suede pants. And it's just a cute, like, summery little look. This is my remote control for my TV, but we're gonna go on our walk. Yeah. We have returned from our walk. Oh, Dad's showering. Now we gotta do appetizers. I have no idea what just happened. And we have to do the sangria, and then we're all set, and Grandma should be here in like 20 minutes. Cheers, happy summer.
Yes.
Yay. All right, so it's 8:12. We just wrapped up dinner and I just cleaned the kitchen and it was so good. With cake, we had chocolate vegan cake and it was amazing. And it was all just 10 out of 10, but now me and my brother, maybe my mom are gonna watch a movie, so I'm just gonna get out of my dress and put pajamas on and take my makeup off and prepare for that. But yeah, it was so good. And we have a ton of leftovers. I made a full extra loaf by accident, so.